This is the story of the 10 months after Imran Khan was removed through an infamous vote of no confidence brought in by the PDM alliance. Pakistan's party alliances and their facilitators have been making one plan after the other to eliminate Imran Khan through the state institutions and hired assassins. Plan A was to minus Imran Khan through courts. A contempt of court case was filed against Imran Khan after he gave a speech in August 2022 where he said that his party will take legal action against the judge who had approved the 2-day detention of Shehbaz Gill. The Islamabad High Court dismissed the case after Imran Khan apologized and explained that he didn't mean to hurt anyone's feelings, as his struggle has always been for the rule of law. PDM then tried to minus Imran Khan through Election Commissioner of Pakistan in the prohibited funding case. The case started as a foreign funding case instead of prohibited funding case. ECP ruled that the PTI received prohibited funding and issued a notice to the party. PTI raised funds from overseas Pakistanis, transferred them to the PTI overseas account, and then transferred them to Pakistan. Decision of ECP to declare these funds unlawful implies that PTI cannot fund PTI. ECP's decision is based on the premise that because the funds were transferred to PTI's accounts from foreign registered companies, hence funding is illegal. What ECP needs to understand is that there is no other way of raising funds from overseas Pakistanis. The verdict by ECP is flawed, and ECP had to twist the law to give a ruling against Imran Khan. After that, Pakistan's Election Commission disqualified Imran Khan in the Tosha Khana case. The case against Khan was filed in August 2022 by a member of Pakistan Muslim League contending that Imran Khan had bought gifts given by foreign dignitaries from the state gift depository called Tosha Khana, but did not disclose the assets in declarations submitted to the commission. Imran Khan purchased the wristwatch from Tosha Khana legally and it was declared in the particulars of the ECP. Previously, a Tosha Khana gift could be owned by paying 25% of the original cost. This was increased to 50% by the PTI government, which Imran Khan had already paid. The watch was not sold to the person who had been presented as the buyer by a media group, nor does the individual have a direct or indirect connection with Imran Khan. When the court asked to make the details of Tosha Khana public for everyone since 1947, the government said that the information pertaining to Tosha Khana gifts was classified and cannot be made public. After that, a plan B was made to assassinate Imran Khan through religious extremism. A Geo News journalist, Waqar Satti, tweeted a video from his official Twitter account in August 2022. Satti's video contained some statements of Imran Khan without context and alleged that he has been insulting Islam and the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The question is, who created this video and who sent this video to Waqar Satti? The PDM ministers then started press conferences against Imran Khan using a religion card, and they were broadcasted on the national TV, all inciting violence and religious hatred against Imran Khan. They all tried to declare Imran Khan as someone insulting Islam and distorting his statements and presenting them without context during their press talks. PDM also started some filthy social media trends against Imran Khan to incite people, putting his life in danger. This was all a part of that big conspiracy to assassinate Imran Khan and make it look like a religious hatred crime. PTI and some renowned journalists condemned this campaign, and resolutions were passed in Punjab and KPK assemblies against this campaign. Chairman PTI Imran Khan exposed the assassination plan in his public gatherings in Rahim Yar Khan in September and in Mianwali in October. He said that 4 people planned my assassination behind closed doors. I have recorded a video giving the names of all those who are involved in this conspiracy. On November 3, 2022, Imran Khan was injured during a gun attack while leading a party's long march in Punjab's Wazirabad. A PTI supporter, Muazzam Nawaz, was killed in the incident while 14 others were wounded. The suspect was soon after arrested by the police, and Imran Khan was taken by road to Shaukat Khanum Hospital for treatment. Right after the assassination attack, the shooter's confessional video was recorded by CCPO and DPO. The shooter is seen in police custody, saying, "I wanted to kill Imran Khan because he is misleading people and I didn't like that they were playing music during Azan." When asked if his decision to shoot Imran Khan was spontaneous, he said yes, but then changed his answer and said he had decided it since morning, and changing his answer once again, he said that he had planned on doing so from the day Khan left Lahore. Another confessional video of the shooter was released in which he is asked why he wanted to kill Imran Khan, to which he says because Imran Khan called himself a prophet, making it look like blasphemy. The shooter also claimed that he was working alone as if he was programmed to say this, and his statements were to make him look like a religious fanatic. These confessional video statements were released almost immediately without any investigation. The police quickly recorded the video statements of the suspect and disseminated it among journalists and television channels who are known to be biased to the PDM government, including the national TV. Journalists known to be PDM sympathizers tweeted the shooter's confessional video simultaneously, saying that the shooter has accepted his crime and he did it because of religious hatred. Geo and Sama and other news channels play the confessional video of the shooter simultaneously. Imran Khan then addressed the nation from the hospital bed and named 3 people in the assassination attempt and demanded an FIR to be filed against them. These were the current Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, the Interior Minister Rana Sanaullah, and a Major General Faisal Nasir. Authorities were reluctant to file an FIR because of an Army General's name in the complaint. The Punjab Police finally registered an FIR after a warning was issued by the Supreme Court of Pakistan. However, the FIR did not mention the names of Shehbaz Sharif, Rana Sanaullah, and a senior intelligence officer, Major General Faisal Nasir, who were the main accused by Imran Khan. Khan maintained that if he has taken a suspect's name, then it was his right to get an FIR registered against the accused. PTI rejected the FIR of the attack on PTI Chairman Imran Khan and called it a mockery of the law and the Supreme Court's order, as the 3 persons named by Imran Khan were missing from the FIR. PDM made fun of Imran Khan's wounds and claimed that his injuries were fabricated. Doctors at Shaukat Khanum Hospital conducted a medical examination of Imran Khan, and the footage of the bullet injuries came to light for the first time. It could be seen in the footage that Imran Khan received 3 bullet wounds on the right leg, 2 injuries on the thigh of the right leg, and 1 injury near the knee. Imran Khan's wounds were still looking deep and had not yet healed. A joint investigation team was formed to probe the attack on Imran Khan. The JIT carried out polygraphic tests of the shooter Naveed Meher and revealed that the Wazirabad attack was planned and the attacker was not alone. Members of the JIT probing the Wazirabad attack were being pressurized to distance themselves from the findings of the probe. The shooter's lawyer, Advocate Dawood, did a press conference on national TV, PTV, and questioned the JIT findings. How many shooters and their lawyers had the chance to present their case on a national TV with all the government machinery working to build their case and defend them? The former Prime Minister Imran Khan's press conferences were not allowed to be broadcast on the national TV, but the shooter's lawyer was live on PTV and all other leading news channels in Pakistan. After that, a Plan C was made. On 27 January 2023, Imran Khan said that Zardari has hatched a plan to assassinate him. He has loads of corruption money looted from the people of Sindh, and he has given this money to a terrorist organization to assassinate him. People from powerful agencies are also facilitating him. While Pakistan is going through the worst economic and political crisis, the entire focus of the PDM government under Shehbaz Sharif and its facilitators has been to remove Khan by hook or by crook. The people of Pakistan are suffering because of the historic inflation and unemployment. Industries are shutting down and the law and order situation has worsened. But all the government wants to do is minus Imran Khan.